So I'm at work today, not looking too hard, and I'm having my lentil veggie burger. It is so delicious. It's so thick. Oh my god. What's up, everyone? So this is what I made for lunch the other day. If you haven't seen my video on the veggie burger patties or the vegan lentil patties, check it out. Be sure to check it out because I made those during quarantine, and when I had to go back out to work a couple days after that, it was quick and easy for me to make lunch. So all the ingredients are listed in the description box below. I washed and prepped the lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Now what you have to do is heat about half a teaspoon of butter in a non-stick fry pan until it's melted. Add the 2 lentil patties, I'm using 2 lentil patties, and cover for about 2 to 3 minutes and cook on medium heat. It doesn't really need cooking, it's just reheating because these are frozen patties. You flip them and cover again and cook for about 2 minutes. Be gentle when flipping the patties. If you have a microwave, you can heat it up in there for about 2 minutes. I gave up on microwave a long time ago. I try not to eat microwave food. When the patties are ready, remove from the heat. Here I used one of the patties in a wrap with lettuce. And so I cut the patty in half, and I use half in 2 lettuce and then the other half in another 2 lettuce. You can add whatever toppings you like. I used the onions and tomatoes as well as some sliced olives. The other patty in a bread sandwich, and I added ketchup and some pepper sauce just for a little zing. And then I put on the tomatoes so that they stay better without sliding, and then I added the other topping. And that's it. Because of my long hours at work, I know, yes, you must be scrutinizing that I ate hops bread. I couldn't just have the lettuce wraps. Those were not going to keep me up at all. Hence the one hops bread or burger bun as you guys might know it. So it says that easy. You can add whatever toppings you like. It's quick, it's easy, especially when you don't feel like cooking or if you are in a rush. I made the burger patties on a Sunday, which is my usual day off, so I had it stored in the freezer. If you haven't seen that video before, check it out. I'll link it at the end of this video. So I'm at work today, and I'm having my lentil veggie burger. It is so delicious. It's so thick. Oh my god. And it's just yummy and filling right now. I can't help myself. I have to eat it out. Remember to like, subscribe, and feel free to drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Hamper milenge. Au revoir.